to buy Brawl Pass with Apple gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with your Apple gift card. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star account, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID. And once you are logged into your Brawl Star account, just simply go to the shop section from the left hand side of the screen, right in your home screen. And now you are in the shop section in your Brawl Star account. So as you can see that the first option is for the ball passes that you can buy. So just simply tap on it. So over here you have two options. Either you can go for the entry level of ball pass, which will cost you around $5.99, and if you want to buy the advanced level of the ball pass, so that will cost you around $8.99. So in order to buy the ball pass of your preference using your Apple gift card, just simply select the one of the ball pass that you would want to buy. For example, you want to buy the advanced one, just simply click on it. And as soon as you click on the ball pass that you would want to buy, you will be able to see the payment method section that will appear as a pop-up menu right in front of you. So in order to use your Apple gift card, so first of all you need to get your Apple gift card handy with you. Just copy the credential from your Apple gift card, like your Apple gift card number, the code and the expiration date, etc. And after that, just simply go to the add credit or debit card section. Just simply click on it. And over here, just simply add your Apple gift card number right here. And you can also scan the Apple gift card that you have right at the back of the Apple gift card. Just simply scan that and you will be able to make the purchase using your Apple gift card in order to buy this particular ball pass. So this is basically how you will be able to buy ball pass with your Apple gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.